All right, class, it's time for my favorite subject, science. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mrs. Radig, you say every subject is your favorite subject, but science is my favorite subject. Okay, so we're starting a new unit on scientific questioning. So, Josiah, can you please read us this slide? What is our big idea for this unit? Yep, so we're going to ask questions. We're going to investigate and predict outcomes. And that's all going to come from asking questions. Great job. Thank you for reading that, Josiah. All right, so we're not going to forget to take notes. So everybody give me a thumbs up. And when you're ready, we'll get started. Oh, almost everybody. A couple more. Thumbs up. We got 2 and 1. Oh, good job. Everybody's thumbs are up. All right, so Jessie, tell me how we can take notes. You can do it in chat or you can unmute. Yep, absolutely. You can draw pictures on your whiteboard and you can submit it. That's totally fine. You can write words, do whatever you need to do. Yep, as long as you take a picture of it and you put it in the Dropbox by the end of the day. Awesome. Thank you. All right, so standards for science. Max, go ahead and read that for us. Thank you, perfect. Yeah, so there's a word variable that we're going to be talking about in a couple minutes here. It's really important, and that is going to come in play with our questions that we're going to be asking. Okay, and Josephina, can you read our learning objectives? Or objective this one time. Perfect. 3 testable variables. So that's that keyword we're going to be talking about during our sense-making activity for seed growth. All right, so we're going to be talking about seed growth. So first we need to talk about what we already know. Okay, so let's do a fish panel activity. So as you know, I'm going to randomly select half of you, and you're going to be our fish panel number 1. And I am going to hit start in just a moment. Take about 10 seconds to think about it, and then start entering your responses into chat. The rest of you take notes. Remember, words are pictures. Okay? All right, fishbowl panel, go ahead. Oh, nice. Yep, so I'm seeing dirt or soil. Worms, definitely if they're outside. Sun, perfect. Couple more seconds. Oh, great answers, great answers. Everybody else, make sure you're taking notes. Oh, great. Oh, we know so much about what makes plants happy. We had a really good unit on that. You guys did a great job. All right, everybody got notes on that? Perfect. I'm going to switch groups. We're going to have the other half be our fishbowl. And we're going to figure out what we want to know. Okay, so fishbowl number 2. Take a few seconds and think about what we want to know about what seeds need from us to grow into happy, healthy plants. All right, when you're ready, go ahead and start writing it in chat. Everybody else, be taking your notes, drawing your pictures, writing your words, whatever you need to do. Oh, notice Amy wrote light and not sun. Be thinking about that. Difference between providing sunlight and just light. Oh, great, great answers. A couple more seconds from our fishbowl, which is doing such a good job. Okay, it looks a lot like what our plants need, right? The seeds need from us the same as what we know makes plants happy and healthy. We already know what makes plants happy and healthy, so we know what we're going to have to give to our seeds to grow them into plants. Great job. All right, so don't forget, take a picture of your notes. of your pictures or your words or whatever and drop it in our Dropbox as a document or a picture by the end of the day. Awesome job. All right, now we're going to get ready for our sense-making activity.